Welcome to Wow Decor Tube, and thank you for being here today. If you love creative home ideas that feel natural, meaningful, and a little bit unexpected, you're in the perfect place. In this video, we're exploring how fallen tree branches, often overlooked, discarded, or left to decompose, can be transformed into unique, functional rustic furniture designed especially for small living spaces. This journey is about bringing nature indoors, celebrating raw materials, and discovering how accessible craftsmanship can turn found objects into practical, sellable art that resonates deeply with a United States audience that values sustainability, individuality, and cozy living. Across America, living spaces are changing. Apartments are getting smaller, urban homes are more compact, and even suburban houses are embracing minimalist, intentional design. At the same time, there is a growing desire to reconnect with nature, to slow down, and to surround ourselves with materials that feel honest and grounding. Fallen tree branches offer exactly that connection. Each branch carries its own story shaped by weather, time, and growth, making no two pieces ever the same. When brought indoors and thoughtfully transformed, these branches become more than wood. They become conversation pieces, functional art, and symbols of creativity rooted in nature. The process begins outdoors, where nature freely offers raw material. A fallen branch lying on the ground might look ordinary at first glance, but with a creative eye, it reveals endless possibilities. Thick branches suggest sturdy table legs or supports, while slimmer ones hint at shelves, hooks, or decorative frames. There's something deeply satisfying about working with material that hasn't been milled, standardized, or stripped of its character. In the United States, where DIY culture and appreciation for handmade goods run strong, this approach feels both nostalgic and refreshingly modern. Cleaning and preparing the branches is an important step, not just practically but symbolically. Dirt is brushed away, bark is gently cleaned or partially removed, and imperfections are embraced rather than erased. Knots, curves, and cracks are not flaws here, they are features. They give the finished furniture its rustic charm and sense of authenticity. As the wood dries and stabilizes, it becomes ready to take on a new role indoors, shifting from forest floor to functional decor with surprising ease. Designing furniture for small spaces requires thoughtful creativity, and this is where fallen branches truly shine. Their organic shapes naturally lend themselves to compact, sculptural forms. A small side table made from branch segments fits perfectly beside a sofa or bed without overwhelming the room. A quirky wall-mounted shelf supported by branching limbs adds storage while doubling as art. These pieces don't demand attention through size or polish. Instead, they quietly draw the eye through texture, form, and story. Assembly is where imagination meets function. Simple joinery techniques, combined with patience and experimentation, allow branches to come together in ways that feel both sturdy and whimsical. There's often room for humor in these designs, especially when the natural shape of a branch suggests movement or personality. A shelf might look like it's playfully climbing the wall, or a small table may appear to stand proudly on uneven, expressive legs. These subtle touches bring warmth and approachability to the furniture, making it feel alive rather than static. For American viewers, especially those living in cities or smaller homes, this kind of furniture feels attainable and relevant. It doesn't require large workshops or expensive tools, only curiosity and respect for the material. The accessibility of the process is part of its appeal. Anyone with basic tools and a willingness to learn can create something beautiful and useful. This empowerment is central to the Wow Decor Tube philosophy. Creativity belongs to everyone, not just professionals. The finished pieces bring a sense of calm and grounding into interior spaces. In a world dominated by mass-produced furniture and synthetic materials, rustic branch furniture stands out by doing the opposite. It feels honest, warm, and deeply human. When placed in a living room, bedroom, or small apartment corner, these pieces soften the environment and invite touch and interaction. Guests notice them immediately, often asking where they came from, sparking conversations about nature, creativity, and sustainability. Beyond personal use, these creations hold real potential as a profitable small business. In the United States, there is strong demand for handmade, eco-friendly furniture, especially items designed for small spaces. Buyers are increasingly drawn to products that tell a story and align with values of sustainability and craftsmanship. Rustic branch furniture fits perfectly into this market. Because the raw materials are often free or low cost, creators can focus on quality, design, and storytelling, increasing perceived value without high overhead. Each piece becomes a one-of-a-kind item, which is a major selling point. Customers appreciate knowing that no one else will own the exact same table or shelf. This uniqueness creates emotional value that mass-produced furniture simply can't match. Whether sold online, at local markets, or through boutique shops, these pieces appeal to nature lovers, art enthusiasts, and anyone seeking something truly different for their home. There is also a deeper emotional layer to this work. Transforming fallen branches into furniture feels like an act of respect toward nature. Instead of seeing fallen trees as waste, they are honored and given a second life. This perspective resonates strongly with American audiences who are becoming more environmentally conscious and intentional about consumption. It reminds us that beauty and usefulness often exist right in front of us, waiting to be noticed. The humor found in these projects adds another layer of charm. A slightly crooked shelf or an uneven table leg doesn't detract from the piece. It enhances its personality. These small imperfections make the furniture feel friendly and approachable, rather than stiff or overly polished. In many ways, they reflect real life, imperfect, creative, and full of character. This lighthearted approach helps viewers feel less intimidated and more inspired to try creating something themselves. As you watch this transformation unfold on Wow Decor Tube, the goal is not just to teach, but to inspire. Inspiration to look at your surroundings differently. Inspiration to see potential in what others might overlook. Inspiration to create something meaningful with your own hands, even in a small space. This is where accessible craftsmanship meets real market appeal, proving that creativity doesn't require perfection, only intention. If you're enjoying today's content and feeling inspired by the idea of turning fallen tree branches into rustic, space-saving furniture, we'd love your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps Wow Decor Tube grow and allows us to continue bringing creative, nature-inspired ideas to viewers across the United States and beyond. As we come to the end of this journey, remember that creativity often begins where others stop looking. Fallen branches, quiet corners, small spaces, these are not limitations but invitations. By embracing nature's raw beauty and combining it with thoughtful design, you can create furniture that is functional, expressive, and full of life. Thank you for spending this creative time with Wow Decor Tube. Keep imagining, keep creating, and keep discovering the extraordinary hidden within the ordinary.